How to switch your Instagram account to personal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can switch your Instagram account to personal account. Now to do so is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you. First, what you want to do is open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Here you'll get an interface like this once you're logged in. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on profile, you'll be headed to your profile and tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll get varieties of options. Simply tap on the first option, settings, and head into settings. On settings, you'll get the option account there. You can see at the screen right there. Tap on account. And if you scroll down below, you'll find the option switch account type. Simply tap on switch account type and you'll get two options to either switch to personal account or switch to creator account. Now since we want to switch to personal account, simply tap on switch personal account and you'll get a pop-up. On the pop-up, you can see when you switch back to a personal account, in-app insights will be turned off and insights from all your content, including your ads, will be permanently removed. Simply tap on switch to personal account and your account will get switched. So this way you can switch your Instagram account to personal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.